In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate like a pro in Canva. Whether you're sprucing up a presentation, designing a social media graphic, or creating a personalized greeting card, mastering the art of rotation in Canva can bring a dynamic new dimension to your designs. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily rotate elements to achieve the perfect look. First, you'll want to head over to Canva. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Canva's website address or using your Canva app if you're on a mobile device. Once you're there, log into your account to access your dashboard. The great thing about Canva is that it keeps all your projects neatly organized so you can quickly jump into your ongoing work. Next, find the design you want to work on. This could be anything from a flyer to a Pinterest pin, whatever fits your current project. Open this existing design by clicking on it, and Canva will bring up your working document complete with all its elements. With your design open, look for the element you wish to rotate. This could be an image, text, or a graphic. Any of these can be rotated to add a creative flair. Click on the element to select it. You'll notice a box around it with various handles and icons. Pay attention to the rotate icon, which appears when you hover over one of the corners of your selected element. This icon looks like a circular arrow, hinting at its function. To rotate your element freely, click and hold the rotate icon. While holding down, move your mouse or finger, depending on your device, left or right. Watch as the element smoothly rotates. This method is fantastic for achieving organic angles and positions that can make your design stand out. However, if you need more precision or wish to maintain uniformity across your design, Canva provides a more controlled option. Look at the toolbar at the top of your Canva workspace. You'll see various tools and options designed to help you refine your work. Find the crop icon within this toolbar. Clicking on the crop icon opens a set of options just beneath it. Here, you'll have the opportunity to enter a specific rotation value. This feature is particularly useful when you need an exact angle, for example, rotating an element exactly 45 degrees. Simply type in the desired numeric value, and Canva will adjust the element accordingly, giving it the perfect angle you need. With these techniques, you have powerful ways to rotate elements in Canva, whether you prefer the freedom of manual rotation or the precision of exact measurements. Practice these methods and transform your designs into visually appealing creations that are uniquely yours. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.